Chevrolet Trax LT, all-wheel drive, one owner, super clean, orange in color. It's got new tires on it, aluminum wheels, roof rack up on top. No real dents or scratches at all. Rear parking assist, backup camera. $40,000 miles, remote start. Last year of Chevrolet's 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's kind of a cloth and leather interior. Power driver seat, automatic headlights, tilt and telescoping, leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls with hands-free Bluetooth and audio streaming. Get your touchscreen set up, your backup camera shows up there, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, 4 cup holders, nice big back seat, side impact and side curtain airbags. This back seat does fold down flat. Nice big rear hatch area. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.